This week, we've started thinking about some of the different ways that numbers can be presented by the media and what they mean. We've also started thinking about coming up with our own research questions and what sorts of resources we can use to find data to answer these questions. This is a useful first step if we want to make sense of data in the media, but there are more concepts and techniques that we need to be comfortable with if we can be confident when we interpret reports. Next week, we'll start thinking about where the data that we've talked about comes from in the first place. How was it collected, and by whom? How did they decide to collect it in the way that they did? And then, looking forward, we'll think about how these decisions influence what media reports of data end up looking like. At the same time, we'll think about how, instead of just finding errors in media reports, we can come up with better ways of presenting this data for ourselves. We'll see that we need to understand all of these issues at the same time, since only looking out for some means we can be tripped up by others. The next few weeks will ensure that we can feel comfortable doing so.